Hello everyone and welcome to our new Delos tutorial. Today we're focusing on the translation tool Trad, an application that allows you to translate both your documents and text. With the 40 languages, it will work whether you're using Word, PowerPoint or Excel files, or if you simply need a quick text translation. So here is the main interface overview. When you open Trad, you'll see a split screen layout that lets you view the original text and its translation side by side in real time. First off, the left panel, so the original text, here for instance in French, you can copy-paste your text and click the arrow at the bottom left of the box to expand the view. You will also have the right panel here, so with the translated text, here for instance in English. In this panel you can choose your target language by clicking on the top arrow here. Once you're satisfied with the result, there is a button on the upper right corner, either to export the text to script or simply to copy it. And you also have the option to create your own agents, which we'll cover in a future video. Then you'll find the document translation section just below the translation panels here. You can either drag and drop your files into the upload area here or click to browse and select file manually. Supported formats include text, Excel, Docs and PowerPoint as well. Then simply select the target language and click on translate and then it's done. You will have the translation history just next to the upload area, so every past translation is saved for easy reference. For each entry, you will have the name of the file, the date, the languages, progress and status in case of current translation, and also different possible actions such as download on the arrow or delete. Okay, so now that you know Trad, here are my top 2 tips to get started. First off, test with your real documents. Even large ones, the platform can handle it, no worries. Second tip, explore your history. It's really handy for retrieving a translation you did a few days ago. Thank you for your attention and see you soon on the platform.